Hello coders, welcome to Refresh Coding. My name is Madhulika and in this video we will see how we can create a Spring Boot project in Visual Studio Code. So the first thing is we will check for the extension. So we will go here in manage and we will check for extension and we will search here for Spring Boot. So we will search for Spring and you can see we have got the Spring Initializer Java Support plugin, or you can say extension, and we have one more Spring Boot extension pad and Spring Boot tools. All of them are there, so we will take this one, Spring Initializer Java Support, and we will install it. So once it is installed, after that we will go to the folder and we will create a Java project. We will close it first and we will create Java project. So here we need to select Spring Boot since we want to create a Spring Boot project. So we will select Spring Boot. After that, the build tool, you can select either Maven or Gradle depending on your requirement. So I will create a Maven project. Spring Boot version, I will take the latest one. Specify project language, which one? I will take Java. Okay, group ID, you need to take. So I will take here only com and enter. And after that, artifact ID for your project. So I will take it as demo only, not a problem. Enter. Basic packaging type, so mostly we take jar, so I will take jar. Specify Java version, 17 is working in my system, so I will select 17. After that, this is a very important step. We need to select the dependencies. Like for example, if I'm working with a web project or Spring REST project or Spring Data JPA, what I want to use. Okay, so I will take here one dependency, which is Spring Web. Okay, since I want to create a web project. That's it. After that, my work is done. And I will select this Spring Web and I will do enter. It will ask me project location folder. I will just click here. Okay, so it will download the zip in my system and then I will open it. So if you can see, the moment I will open, it will give me this project architecture, Spring Boot project architecture. And you can see here, we are getting SRC main and then SRC test, and we are getting our application dot properties also in resources. So the entire project structure I am getting. Okay, so it is giving me this public class, main class, demo application also. And if I want to run this project, what I will have to do, I will just quickly go here in run and I will run without debugging. So it will start running and you can see the Spring Boot project is running. It is started demo project in my system and it is running. So this is how we can work with Spring Boot in VS Code. After that, we can write all our Spring Boot code in VS Code and we can work with it. So that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like it and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.